Hi everyone, my name is Michelle Bonanno and I'm so excited to work with you this semester. Welcome back to a brand new semester. I'm so excited that you're in my class. The image that I chose for my postcard from home is a picture of the Lone Cone, which is a mountain near Norwood, Colorado. And the reason I chose that is that it was a really impactful place for me when I was growing up. My family would go up there all the time throughout the summer to cut wood for our wood burning stove, and it would just be a really special day for our family. While my dad was cutting wood, my mom and my siblings and I would all go fish in the creek for trout that we could eat for dinner later. We'd roast hot dogs for lunch and come home really tired and happy. So it was a really great day for all of us together, and it's just such a beautiful place. So I feel really fortunate to have grown up really nearby it in Nucla, Colorado, which is only about 30 minutes from Norwood. So that is my postcard from home. I'm looking forward to seeing yours.